Alright guys, this is my walk back to my house from the barn on the day 2 of the snowstorm. Oh, that's crazy wind. Please note the gigantic snowdrift. Hardly see my house again. And in between me and my house, if you remember from the last video, there were snowdrifts that were up to my knees. Those are now well over my shoulders, so I'm gonna have to scoot around everything. Oh, look at this. It's ridiculous. The sun is out, so it's not snowing anymore, but it's still blowing like crazy, so... Oh. My dog's made a nice little trail through here this morning. Kind of thankful for that. This drift is actually over my shoulder, but I'm kind of on top of some of the snow right now, so you can't really tell. Pretty ridiculous. I'm not gonna lie. That's where I just came through. That's where I just came from. Ridiculous. And our road has not been plowed at all since this storm began. So pretty important to stay on the roads in weather like this. Well, I'll get over there. My greenhouse is buried. Yikes. So, yeah. So, stay off the roads.